How to create custom navigation menu in Shopify. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a custom navigation menu in Shopify. A well-organized menu helps your customers find what they need quickly, so let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from there you can go to the online store section on the left-hand menu and click on navigation. This is where you'll manage all your menus. To create a new menu, click on add menu and enter a title for it, like main navigation, footer links, and click save. This title will appear as the name of your menu in your store. With your new menu created, click on add menu item and enter the name of the item such as shop or contact us, and select the link it should point out. You can link to pages, collections, products, or even external URLs, so click add and then save menu when you're done. To organize your menu items, drag and drop them into the desired order. You can create sub-menus by dragging items slightly to the right under another item. This will create a drop-down menu for better organization. Finally, to display your new menu on your store, go to Themes under the online store section. Click on Customize for your active theme, then select header or footer, depending on where you want the menu. Choose the menu you just created from the drop-down list and save your changes. And that's how you can create a custom navigation menu in Shopify. Custom menus make your store easier to navigate and enhance the shopping experience. For more Shopify tips, check the description below, and thanks for watching.